Ever wondered how to make a healthy pasta in just 15 minutes? Today, we're diving into the delicious world of pasta aglio e olio, a dish that's as simple as it is satisfying. This classic Italian dish, hailing from the region of Abruzzo, proves that sometimes less truly is more. It's a testament to the beauty of minimalist cooking, where each ingredient shines and contributes to a symphony of flavors. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, quick and healthy meals have become more crucial than ever. And pasta aglio e olio, with its simple ingredients and easy preparation, fits the bill perfectly. This dish is not just about feeding our bodies, it is about nourishing our souls with the warmth of home-cooked food. As we embark on this culinary journey, we'll unravel the secret behind crafting this healthful and time-efficient dish. So, buckle up, because we're about to demystify the art of cooking pasta aglio e olio. Stay tuned to uncover the secret to this quick and healthy pasta dish. Before we start, gather all the necessary ingredients. To create the mouth-watering pasta aglio e olio, a simple yet flavorful dish, we need a few key ingredients. Each ingredient is not just a part of the recipe but also a wellspring of nutrients that contribute to a healthy lifestyle. First and foremost, let's talk about the star of the show, pasta. Opt for whole wheat pasta, a healthier alternative to regular pasta. It's packed with fibers, proteins, and essential nutrients including several B vitamins and iron. Not only does it keep you fuller for longer, but it also supports healthy digestion and reduces the risk of heart disease. Next up we have garlic, a culinary staple that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Garlic is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese. It also contains a compound called allicin, which has potent medicinal properties, helping to combat common colds and reduce blood pressure. Then we have olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and a treasure trove of health benefits. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants and healthy fats. It's known to reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even has properties that can fight Alzheimer's disease. To add a little heat to our dish, we'll use red pepper flakes. Besides adding a spicy kick, they're also an excellent source of antioxidants and can boost your metabolism. Lastly, we need fresh parsley and lemon zest for garnishing. Parsley is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, promoting eye health and boosting the immune system. The lemon zest, besides giving a fresh, tangy flavor, is a great source of vitamin C and fiber, aiding digestion and promoting heart health. Now remember to have a pinch of salt at hand to enhance the flavors of these ingredients, and a pot of boiling water ready for the pasta. With these ingredients ready, we can now start cooking. Stay tuned to see how these simple ingredients transform into a delicious, healthy meal that's easy to whip up and satisfying to the last bite. The heart of pasta aglio e olio lies in its garlic and olive oil fusion. That's right, my friends. This simple duo can create a symphony of flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. So, let's dive right into the preparation of this crucial component of our dish. Firstly, we'll need to peel and mince our garlic. You'll want to use about 8 cloves for a truly garlicky kick. But hey, if you're a garlic fiend like me, feel free to add a couple more. After all, there's no such thing as too much garlic, right? A good hint to remember is that the finer you mince your garlic, the more intense flavor it will release. Moving on to the olive oil. We're looking for extra virgin olive oil here, folks. This type of oil is made from pure cold-pressed olives, and it has a robust, fruity flavor that pairs perfectly with our garlic. You'll need about a half cup or so. Now the magic begins when we combine these two ingredients. Pour your olive oil into a large pan and heat it over medium-low heat. You don't want the heat too high, as that can cause the garlic to burn and give your oil a bitter taste. Once your oil is warm, add in your minced garlic. Stir it around, allowing it to sizzle and dance in the oil. As it cooks, you'll notice the garlic will start to turn a lovely golden brown, and the oil will take on a rich, garlicky flavor. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the birth of your garlic-infused olive oil. The key here is to be patient. Don't rush this process. Let the garlic and oil mingle, get to know each other, and create a beautiful relationship that will be the backbone of your pasta aglio e olio. Once you smell the wonderful aroma of garlic, it's time to add the pasta. But we'll get to that in the next scene. For now, let's savor the moment and enjoy the tantalizing aroma wafting from our pan. Cooking pasta correctly is crucial for this dish. Let's dive right into the process of preparing the pasta. First, you'll need a large pot of boiling water. Remember, pasta needs a lot of room to cook evenly and freely, so don't skimp on the water. Now, here's a tip you might not know. Add a generous amount of salt to the water. Why, you ask? Because it flavors the pasta from the inside out, lending a subtle depth to the overall dish. Once the water is at a rolling boil, It's time to introduce the pasta. A gentle stir will ensure that all strands get an equal chance to bask in the hot water. Now, patience is key. While it might be tempting to stir frequently, resist the urge. Overstirring can lead to broken pasta, and we don't want that. So how do you know when the pasta is done? You're aiming for al dente, which in Italian means to the tooth. This is when the pasta is cooked so that it's still firm when bitten. A general rule of thumb is to start checking the pasta around 2 minutes before the time on the package instructions. That way you have a better chance of catching it at the perfect al dente stage. But what about preventing the pasta from sticking together? Well, that's where a drizzle of olive oil comes in. Adding it to your boiling water might be controversial in some culinary circles, but it certainly helps keep your pasta strands from turning into a clumpy mess. Once your pasta has achieved the coveted al dente status, it's time to drain it, but don't rinse it. The starchy water that clings to the pasta will help the sauce adhere better later on. And speaking of that, reserve a cup of the pasta water before draining. This liquid gold can be used to adjust the consistency of your dish if needed. Now that the pasta is ready, it's time to bring it all together. Now comes the best part, combining the pasta with the garlic and olive oil. This is where the magic happens, where two simple ingredients become so much more than the sum of their parts. It's a symphony of flavors, a dance of textures, all coming together to create a dish that's truly delightful. Let's start by draining the pasta, but remember to keep some of the pasta water. This starchy liquid is the secret to a silky, glossy sauce. Now return the pasta to the pot. It's time to introduce it to its flavor partners. Pour that beautifully golden garlic-infused olive oil over the pasta. Watch as it slides over each strand, coating it with its rich, aromatic goodness. The heat from the pasta will help to unlock even more of that garlic flavor, infusing every bite with a savory depth that's simply irresistible. Now it's time to mix. Use a pair of tongs or a pasta spoon to toss the pasta in the garlic oil. This isn't just about combining ingredients, it's about ensuring that every single piece of pasta gets an even coating of that garlic and olive oil. As you toss, you'll notice the pasta starting to glisten. That's the starchy pasta water and olive oil creating a luscious emulsified sauce that clings to every strand. If the pasta seems a little dry, don't be shy to add a bit more of that reserved pasta water. Next, a generous sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. This adds a layer of complexity to the dish, making it even more interesting and enjoyable. And finally, a good handful of chopped parsley for a burst of freshness that balances out the richness of the oil and garlic. Toss one more time to distribute the parsley evenly and to allow its vibrant flavor to permeate the dish. And voila, your pasta aglio e olio is ready to be served. This simple yet sophisticated dish proves that sometimes, less really is more. Enjoy it as is, or pair it with a crisp salad or a piece of grilled chicken for a complete meal. There you have it, a healthy and quick pasta aglio e olio. We've walked through each step together, from gathering our fresh ingredients to the final toss of the pasta in the fragrant garlic and olive oil. This dish is not only quick and easy to prepare, but it also offers a wealth of health benefits. The garlic and olive oil are packed with antioxidants, and the pasta provides a hearty dose of carbohydrates for energy. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the beauty of this dish is in its simplicity, giving you plenty of opportunities to make it your own. So go ahead, put on that apron, get into your kitchen, and give this recipe a try. You'll be amazed at how a dish so simple can be so satisfying. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about quick and healthy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking!